Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. Wagwan. Big up. Dancehall skilla they are getting on my people. Yeah, me there, you know. Yeah. Me I tell my people sometimes social media hot. And sometimes social media set away, you know. Sometimes social media different. Anyways, me have some things I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers. And me have certain things I'm going to show you as well. So me I say, alright, so let's get started. Now, first things first. I saw a video on social media that shows a person who a lot of people on social media call Dewey. The video also shows a female. And when I saw the video, I wonder, who is that female? And I also wonder, who is that female to Dewey? So, with curiosity, viewers and subscribers, I go to the comment section of the video, viewers and subscribers, and believe me, some comments I'm seeing in the comment section make me have to really and truly think. And me not really want to laugh, but I couldn't help it. But anyways, I'm going to read words from some of these comments to you, my viewers and subscribers. So look and listen, alright? Look and listen. Alright, so the first comment say, wait till Queenie say this and mash up the dance. Me now jump to no conclusion. Alright, so another comment say, him and her favor. Another comment say, hold on, me soon come. Where that person there go? What? Another comment say, I think that's a mama proudy. Anyways, another comment say, then silk drama no enough. Them words there kinda spell in a what we call patois. You see me I say not enough. Alright, anyways, we can move on to another comment here, my people. See? Next one now. See, so another comment say, somebody help me, Jesus. Me not gonna call out the Lord name in vain. You see why me no want nobody, man a wicked, oh God, Queenie heart mash up. Well, that comment they say in my point of view. Next comment say, me just shout out, Dewey. You ever notice that Dewey name spell different ways on social media? Anyways, another comment say, hey, he might try hide, you know. Another comment say, the girl I must Queenie friend. Now I jump to a conclusion again, my people. See? Another comment say, bag juice, banana chips. Anybody want buy? I don't know what them their words, my people. You see me I say, yeah, and please bear in mind that none of them so-called words are them not spelled properly. You see me I say, but me I go pronounce them as how me see them. Uno come man, seal pan everything. What that mean? Another comment says, series start again. Hey, boy, I tell you. Hey, people love mix up, you know. Anyways, another comment say, then I saw her, let me come dance. LOL. Yo, people really love mix up. Another comment say, girl, what you do with Queenie? Do it. Queenie, do it. See? Mix up. Me I tell my people, quick and fast me I run through. You see me I say, another comment say, send back Queenie husband, go give her. Don't make no crosses follow UMILUV. I assume that mean you, me love. You see me I say another comment said, it a follow her already. Hey, some people around for use letters like a words, no people. But move on. Another comment said, Queenie go live PPL a talk about it. I assume that mean people, the PPL. My people, may I tell you, some people have mix up, you know. Some people have mix up. Well, me know say some people at the time must have wonder who that female be. See? Well, anyways, listen now, you know, and listen me carefully now. See? Now, when it comes on to do with viewers and subscribers, I think a lot of people on social media don't know that Dewey married to Queenie. Yeah, a female named Queenie. See? Now, Queenie posted a video on social media, and in that video, she said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she know about the video that shows Dewey and the girl. And in my words, and based on some things that Queenie said in the video, I got the understanding that she said that she have a text on her phone where the girl sent Dewey and threatened Dewey, said she go put up the video. Queenie also posted the same video on her Instagram page, you know, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, she posts the video on her Instagram page with some words, you know, my people. See? Let me read some of these words to you. Now some of the words in the post say, girl, you get what you want. The number 4, the world to see you with, well, me not go say that part here just like that. You can see the word MY and the word husband. Good luck to you both. Queen Wave COS me say girl power every, well, you see the rest of words for yourself, my people. You see me I say, I don't think me need to say everything in the post right here, so the words that I'm seeing in the post. You understand? Now, based on some more things where Queenie said in one of those videos that I talk about in this video, it seems as if Dewey somehow end up in that girl's arms when him and Queenie, they have some form of issues or problems. You understand? Talk about social media and talk about drama. I tell you. Anyways, more people have a good understanding about this whole situation. Right about now, this coming like a more than one situation to me. Anyways, I move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show a man holding something in the hands. And based on some things that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person claimed that whatsoever the person was holding in his hands is some type of saltfish that him think is plastic or contains plastic. But people, I'm not even so sure how to explain this video, but more I take a look at the video and tell me what I think. You can tell me if you believe the things that the person said in the video, or if you do not believe the things that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? You can also tell me if you think that thing that the person was holding is real saltfish or if a plastic saltfish. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Yes, today is the 28th of August 2022 at 12:08 p.m. Look at this. Take a good look. You see it? This is the bone. The bones are the saltfish, and this is the saltfish. Pure plastic. Plastic saltfish you're eating now, people, ladies and gentlemen. You get it full bowl. Buy this in the supermarket. It finally meet Tobago. We're eating it now for food. Plastic saltfish. I taste it. Take it out from the fridge to cook. Put it to thaw out. And when I taste it, oh my lord, it gives me same time. Slimy.
Plastic saltfish.
I'm opening it out. Look how it's placed together. You zoom in there. Look how it's placed together. Made in where? I don't know. Come in the plastic paper. You get it full bowl. You finally get it home by you. Plastic saltfish, ladies and gentlemen. Buying it in the supermarket. Now, I just want you to know. Down with the saltfish story.
Plastic saltfish. There you go.
What a shit. You seeing good there? It clear? You get it? This is the bone. You see how they design the bones? Put it together. Then put the saltfish, fasten it up here. Look, watch this, watch. And all of that is plastic. It's in the fridge a good while. I got to cook it today because you have nothing to eat. I searched the fridge and when I put it to thaw out, I said, but how this looks strange so? And I taste it. Oh my lord. It gives me same time, I'm telling you. This is where we have to eat now. Who let this come in the country? Which country it come from, I don't know. But we have to plant our own food and buy local. You finally come to it. Plant up your place. Get outside and plant something.
But people ever smell rotten saltfish before? Yeah, rotten saltfish. You ever smell it before? Me I talk about like when saltfish you take out a whatsoever it come by and it go get wet up or it go put on too long or something. Rotten saltfish. I must not smell good. If a man look on a woman and say, you smell like rotten saltfish, trust me. Trust me. That's not something nice to tell somebody, me I tell. Yeah man, me also learn one little strategy when it comes down to saltfish to, you know, people. You see, me don't even want to say it. You know what I mean? Yeah, me don't even want to say it. You see me? But here the thing now, my people. Another thing to again to, I must do a research as to exactly where saltfish come from. Because I see some posts on social media about saltfish come from one thing or ugly and all them thing there. You see me I say, but that's not even really and truly important now. My people, you what go on now. Say more tell me what you think about that video there. Tell me if you believe the things that the person said in that video. You understand? Yeah, tell me if you believe the things that the person said in the video. You can also tell me if you think that is real saltfish or if that a fake saltfish. I ask me I left it now. Let me know what you think about all those things that I said in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.